Hey everyone, Hannah here. So this month we are going to do a swap and our project is a doily pocket. So this tutorial I'm going to show you how I made mine, and you can use any style, any size. I am taking a bigger doily, maybe about an 8 or a 10-inch size doily, and I'm folding the outside in a couple of inches, or yeah, I guess you could say 1.5 2 inches. And then I'm taking the bottom and going up a little bit. And I basically am going up to the amount, because I have a 4x6 journaling card that I'm going to fit down in there. So that's what I'm using to measure how far I want to fold for basically to make my pocket on the inside. And so I figured that out, and now I'm adding the glue. With the doily and it having holes, it can be a little tricky, so I'm just putting glue around the places that it doesn't look like it would have holes where it would get inside. But after I press it down a little bit, then I just take my hand and kind of run it along the inside, so that way it doesn't stick, because these doilies are thin, and so if they do stick and the glue dries, then it might rip the doily trying to, tear, separate where it's stuck at. So I've got my pocket glued, and now for the fun part where we will do our embellishing. And on this project, I'm basically just, I have a drawer, or a couple of drawers actually, for just odd and end items, leftover little bits of paper and things from other projects. And so I save those because they come in handy, especially for tiny projects like this. Those little bits of paper really come in handy, so you don't have to cut a whole new sheet of paper just to get a little bitty square out of it. So that's what I'm using. But for the details on the swap, you can go ahead and sign up for it now. And on February 15th is when we will be assigning the partners. So I will assign the partners and email you who your partner will be and their email address. And then y'all can contact each other to get each other's addresses and find out what styles that y'all like, and then send to each other. And the deadline for sending out the doily pocket is March 1st, so that'll give a couple of weeks for you to make the pocket and send it out to your partner. And I'm really excited about the project. I first saw this doily pocket on Jennifer's channel, A Trace of Sparkle, and it was so pretty. And she had been inspired from crafty_mail.c on Instagram. And so this is kind of where I'm using my inspiration from, was crafty_mail.c's channel. But I'm kind of putting my own take on it. And I kind of wanted to do something with a window and kind of looking outside. And then we've got pretty flowers around the window. And y'all know that I love flowers. And I fussy cut these flowers out of a journaling card. I think it's from the Misty Rose collection, Prima Marketing's Misty Rose, which was one of my absolute favorite paper collections. I love the Georgia Blue collection and I love the Misty Rose collection. They are beautiful, beautiful. And and I'm just, wanting to add layers and layers and just different things. So I'm really having a lot of fun decorating this. If you have any questions at all on how to make your doily pocket, please let me know. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful for you. I hope that you have enjoyed watching it and that it has inspired you to make a doily pocket too, whether it's for the swap or just for your own personal use. Thank you so much for watching.